Yo, what's up? How you doing? I'm walking today in the Mertasari beach area. As you can see, the path is like a small wall. Here is the ocean. Here's supposed to be a hotel, however, never exists. Today's vlog is about the Mertasari area of South Sanur. This is already South Sanur. In the that way direction is the Mercure Hotel and Genius Cafe. Some people last few days ago asked me to show this area, so this is for you. I really forgot the names, however I remember this is for you. Anyway, this is the Mertasari beach. Today the weather is very cloudy and it's little bit rainy all day long. It's not a strong rain, heavy rain like was in Legian. However, yeah, little bit rainy, but I'm not wet, so all is good. I will show you around how it looks the situation. Later, at the end of the vlog, I will finish vlog exactly in the same place. So I will go around and I'm gonna come here by bike because it's possible and it's fully legit to come here by bike. And meanwhile, I will show you the quickly area of Genius Cafe and Mercure for the request of some of you. I really forgot the name. I'm so sorry. I have really bad memory to the names. By the way, I really don't know what's happened in the area over here, why it's broken. However, it is like this. I have a shoe, so it's really no problem. I don't remember what used to be here. Okay, here is Genius Cafe. Now they have a promo 60k net for almost everything what they have. However, it's very the bad music. I have to go, but that's how it looks the situation. It's quite empty today. I used to be in the Genius Cafe for many times, seriously, like, but that was at the beginning of the videos when, well, we had like 1,000 subscribers maybe. So if you come back to the one of our first videos about the especially vlogs number 100, because I make the special coffee in Genius Cafe with the 100 on the cup of the coffee, so that was like that. This is already the Mercure Hotel. Here is the pool. I think I quickly gonna show you. That's how it looks, the situation. I know the weather is a little bit fresh today, but it's nobody here around. It's beautiful afternoon. It's 4 o'clock today because I have to pick up Winnie soon from work. That's why I'm starting a little bit earlier. Anyways, 4 o'clock. This is the Mercure Hotel. Yeah, meanwhile I'm walking here. I just wanna talk a few words about the weather conditions. Nowadays, yeah, it's often rainy, often cloudy, but it's also today is rainy. Tomorrow will be super hot. I got sunburn a few days ago, so for me, like the last video from Legian, many people was worried about is I gonna get a masuk angin or something like that. I'm just simply gonna get flu. For me, having rain in a tropical country like this, it's much better than getting sunburn, which is like super hot, like 35 degrees, and with rain is for me is totally fine. I will be totally safe, nothing gonna happen to me. But if it's 35 and I gonna drive half day on the bike or walk, yeah, I gonna be sick after that, really sick. Something different, not masuk angin, but I will feel sick. Meanwhile, this is the yoga studio. I don't know actually what's the proper name of this place. I'm so sorry, I'm not really yoga person. However, that's how it looks. There is the Angelique holy cow, sacred cow. I'm so sorry, not holy but sacred, but which is pretty the same thing, I think. And here is the parking area. Here is the Warung restaurant, and over there is the gate of the Prama Sanur, which is I make a vlog just literally few days ago, last week maybe well, over 1 week, when we used to moving to Sanur. Okay, now I will jump on my bike and I will show you the Mertasari area, which is the residential area, and also some restaurants, Warungs, Mercure Hotel from the opposite way. Stay tuned. already very fancy villas on that side, and this area of Sanur is called Mertasari. Here is the Mercure Hotel. Also, some of you guys ask me about the Mercure Hotel and the area, so here we go. Here is some warungs, people drinking. This is very nice Hold'em, and this car is already parked here since I'm first time in Bali for many years. Unfortunately, it's not driving, I think. And all here are villas, as you can see, the rich villas. Everywhere, literally everywhere over here are villas. Here is Jalan Sekhar Waru. So everywhere over here they are villas, and now you have like a junction over here, and here is the Mertasari. You can go to the Mertasari beach. This is the main entrance, but I want to show you the different entrance, because I want to show you more about the area of Mertasari, which is obviously this one. Everywhere over here there are villas and small gangs leading into the Nueva Poso street, the Nueva Poso, Jalan de Nueva Poso, which is over there. As you can see, everywhere over here they are just simply villas. So this is another residential area of Sanur, actually just on the opposite way to the vlog what I make last time, opposite way from the freeway, from the bypass road. Beach side, actually here you have just basically walking distance to the beach. Okay, so the beach is actually on the opposite way, but I just want to show you this street. I will put at the corner the name of the street. Basically this is the one big huge residential area, and over here are just mostly private villas and houses, mostly villas. Also some local people living here. Last time when I was passing this road, I saw villa for lease, like this one for example, or here also. So as you can see, actually quite many houses and villas for rent, for lease here. There is the construction, there is the small gangs. For someone who is familiar with this area, for sure you recognize this place and the houses, everything, the neighborhood. For someone who is not familiar, this is like a residential area of Sanur. It belongs to the beach side, let's say. It's difficult to find a villa beachfront, but this is like walking distance to the beach. Here is also some villas, like hotel villas over here. Previously was the sign of the OVO or something like this. This is like a company. Here is for sale 585 square meters, but this is already old house, not really like a villas, more likely old house, but definitely very nice. So this is already main road, the Nueva Poso, and I will turn around. You can build your own villa. Actually over here is a lot of space, and this is already the gang leading to Mertasari beach. Also over here is so many villas everywhere. The interesting fact is over here on the left side is nothing here actually, but on the right side yeah, they are houses and they are villas. Here is the land for sale, actually not even for lease but for sale, and here are also the houses. And here everywhere they are villas. Okay, I have to buy the parking. Next time. Okay, thank you boss. All right, so here is the Mertasari beach. If you never been here, this is worth place to visit. As you can see, Pantai Mertasari. And okay, I don't even know how to show you, because everywhere around hold on, there is like a parking masuk. Now you have to pay the parking because of something. Previously was the harbor there and was the free access. It's like a big huge parking area, The plans probably was to, I don't know, so many tourists, so many buses, so they provide huge parking area. It's really huge. Many people usually they learn how to drive here. I used to learn how to skateboarding here also once. I used to fly drone when I was learning how to fly drones, because as you can see, this is the huge empty area. Over there is the another gate, another entrance. As you can see, it was quite rainy today, maybe that's why it's nothing really happening here. The street is over there, it's finished, I mean, and here is the Warungs, local Warungs. This beach is definitely very local. It's nothing fancy restaurants here, but so many Warungs, local Warungs. And as you can see, here is another huge empty area, and where is the kiting season, people just simply kiting here, but they trying to put like a huge kites. Like there is the very fancy big yacht. This is the marina, like I said. Over there where is the forest, I'm not sure if you can see, this is the Serangan beach, Serangan Island, I mean, and the boats over there, the Finishi boat and everything belongs to Serangan. There is the marina in Sanur, let's say, and here you can also dock your boat like a fancy cruise, fancy yacht. This is actually very huge yacht. I'm not sure who's come and who is the owner. And also sometimes speedboats going to Nusa Penida, also many local people on the beach. Maybe not like last time in Jimbaran, but still quite a lot of people enjoying. There is the boats, people coming from fishing probably, or diving, I'm not sure. And now I will show you a little bit more of the Mertasari beach. Here is the road, here is the Warungs, and here is the road. Normally you can drive a motorbike here. There is even parking area for the cars, as you can see, and only local Warungs. There is the temple also. And now I'm heading into the Mercure Hotel area, Mercure Hotel and Genius Cafe, where I start today's vlog. So basically the purpose why I'm going here, I just want to show you, as heading from the Mercure Hotel, Prama Sanur Hotel, you just go straight into south direction, following the path on the beach, and you're gonna arrive to this place. If you're looking for the local Warungs, or maybe doing some activities like sports, jogging, or maybe just looking for the quiet beach. Actually nowadays everywhere is quiet beach. I think you're looking for something different, you can just follow this path. Here only local Warungs. Normally they also selling a lot of cheap drinks here, and as you can see already, here is the place where basically I start the vlog. That's how it looks, the Mertasari Sanur area. I hope so you enjoyed. Nowadays, because we live in Sanur, and also we notice, as many of you guys are very much interested about the Sanur area, for people who know Sanur and for people also who doesn't know Sanur. So we decide, step by step we will show you more detailed parts of the Sanur. This one was the Mertasari, which is a South Sanur beach area and the residential area. I hope so you enjoyed. Like always, thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow is another day, something new at 4 p.m. Yeah, thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.